Guys, magluto ta ng biko. So, pakuloon, pakuloon lagi, palutoon ang ato sa coconut cream. So, yan guys. Hangtod na moapyot na sanan maluto na siya. Okay? Sige guys. So guys, na anak hapit na naluto ang ato coconut milk. Apiyot na guys. Apiyot na siya. Apiyot na. No? Diba? Lami. So, i-mix na nato ang ato rice.
My mom's cooking a very yummy dessert. Ooh. Yum,
You
yum.
like this?
Yes.
This is called
Sweet sticky rice.
sweet sticky rice.
I remember when you made the chocolate one.
Yeah. That was wrapped with banana leaves. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's enough. Pagod na to guys kay amo itong auntie nakalami. It's going to be ready. Smells so beautiful.